this tutorial, we'll be creating cables. If a default cable is not available, or there is not one available in the Domain Explorer that can be copied, you can create your own cable. Cables can be created in both the Domain and Reference Explorer, and we'll create our cable in the Reference Explorer so that the cable may be used as a standard in the future. We'll go to the Reference Explorer, right-click the Cables folder, click New, and click Cable. This will open the cable configuration window, where we can now create a new cable. Let's create a 12-pair cable with individual and overall shields. We'll press New and select the number of cable sets. This number determines the number of sets we'll have for our cable. These sets can be pairs, triads, single conductors, and so on. For this cable, we'll choose 13 cable sets because we want 12 cable sets with an individual shield and one overall shield. Next, we'll set the default cable set type. This determines whether the cables will have multiple wires, pairs, triads, and so on. Because we want a 12-pair cable with individual and overall shields, we'll choose Pair with Shield. We'll fill in the cable configuration and cable default name as 12-pair with individual shields and overall shields. Next, we'll go to the Cable Sets window and name our cable sets pairs 1 through 12 and overall shield. Note, as I changed the overall shield cable set from pair with shield to overall shield, the Cable Set Wire Details window on the right also updated. The Cable Set Wire Detail window will always update depending on changes to your cable set type. Next, we'll work in the Cable Set Wire Details window. First, we'll confirm the wire tag default names for wires without signals. We'll go ahead and set them to spare to signify no signal passing through. Next, we'll verify the wire color is to spec. We'll change wire 1 to black, and we'll change wire 2 to white. And lastly, we'll set our wire polarity, positive for our black wire, and negative for our white wire. To apply these changes to each pair, we'll uncheck this box and click Apply, and now we see that the cable set wire details have been updated for pairs 1 through 12. Now that everything is set, we'll click Save and then click Create to create our cable. The Cable Properties window will open, and we'll click OK and see that our cable has been created in the Reference Explorer. We can now left-click Hold and drag our cable from the Reference Explorer to the Cables folder in the Domain Explorer. The Cable Properties window will open. We'll name this cable C101 Junction Box 001 and click OK, and we'll see that our new cable has been created.